Today we're about to do a window regulator and a motor on this Audi A5. So this is my first time doing this, so anybody who's trying to do this, we doing it together. So let's see how this goes. Let's get it. Okay, so first things first, let's remove this trim right there. Okay, let's remove this trim. Be careful with this. Not trying to break this shit, you know. So I have a flat head. Okay, so let's pop this over here first. Pop this here. Let's put something there so I don't scratch it, you know. Okay, like that. Use a rag. Let's get in there. Okay, let's leave this here, right here, like so. If it stays, if it don't stay. Okay, leave that there. Use this clip remover. Okay, all right, there you have it. All you gotta do is basically just take this off like so. There's a Torx in there right here. Oh, there's the Torx. Let's see what that is. Probably a T30. Oh, damn it, dropped it. Let's see if that's T30. Nope, smaller. T27. Let's try that one. Nope, too big. T25. Step down. Okay, that fits. So it's a T25. That's what the Torx is. And you know me, I'm trying to speed things up, so I gotta use the gun. Okay. There you go. Let's get a magnet and get that. The magnet, let's go in there, take that. Put it somewhere safe. Now there's another Torx. Hopefully it's the same size. It's like right down here. Right, you see this? It's right under there. Right under there, you see? There's another Torx. Let's get in there. Okay, I got that out. So there's another Torx right next to it. You see one here? There's one right here that is missing. Alright, so that's missing. I guess someone tried this already. Well, anyways, okay, now we have to remove this trim piece over here. Let's be careful with this. You're not trying to break this. Okay, so let's be careful. And let's just go over here. Over here. Let's try over here first. Pop it up. Oh, right here. Oh, nope, not working there either. Let's try it out. Try a flat head. Okay. Okay. Wow, I didn't see my video paused. But anyways, I went around it and over here, and now I'm just trying to pop it off. Probably get some more. Pop it some more over here. Okay. Don't pull too much. You're not trying to break this thing. Who knows how much Audi charged for this? Audi, however you say it. Okay, tuck in there. Boom. Now be careful. Do not pull this. Gorilla pull this thing, because there's a connector. We have to disconnect behind this switch. Okay, let's pull out like that. Now all you gotta do is push down this pin. Now not a pin, but you know, this connector, push it down like so. Oh, and just pull it out. Make sure when you pull this out, you pull this upwards so it's up, because you know sometimes it be in like that and you can't take out the connector, so it gotta be up. Okay, so now we can take this off. This. Okay, see, that's because it is up now. What I do is pull on it. Oh, whoa, why is it up? Okay, like that. There you go. Now it took off. There's another Torx right in here. See that Torx? Loosen that. Okay. Don't worry, all the Torx are the same, so you can get them mixed up if you want. Now there's another Torx right here. You see? Look, let me do it again. Shh. Let me go down. You see the Torx right here. See that? You see my finger right here? Take that off. Once you remove that bottom one, we're going to remove the panel. Now let's take like a flathead or this and just go under there and try to basically take it off. Pop the panel out. Okay. Okay, once you pop it off, you see how it's dangling? You're gonna try to take it off. Try to take it all the way off. Okay. Be careful. You got stuff back there. You have to remove like this. You see? You see this? Right here. Let's push up on this like that. Forward and just push down. Okay, should be out your way. Okay, that, and basically this right here. You see this? For the door panel, you gotta do is push it in and push it back. Like that. Let's pull it out. Put the door panel somewhere safe. Now let's remove this speaker out. Take out this connector. Now let's do this. Torx is still a T25. There's 4. There's one back here. Alright. Let's take those off. Take off the speaker. Maybe a little hard because, you know, it's a little sticky. Alright, we'll just stickiness off. Look like this person re-sticked it. Okay, let's probably shoot. Okay. Just pull it off. There's your regulator right here. See, this whole thing. That's what we have to change. You see, there's the bolt, and there's another one right in here. It's 4 of them, so there's one right here. I think it's a 14s. And the last one is right under here. You see that? That's where the other one is. Literally right under the door. Okay, now I gotta move this grommet, big ass grommet here, out the way. Damn, yo, Audi gotta make it so difficult. Maximum is 2 seconds. I would've got this shit done. No, Audi wanna be different. Anyways, this is it right here. Okay, see, just let it hang here. Let's put it right under here. Okay, have more room. Now let's disconnect this connector off the motor. Okay, I'll do is press this down right here. You press this down and take it off. Now let's remove the 3 Torx. Pretty sure that's still T25. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, this should just come out. Okay. Just like that. That's the old one. Now, we got these, that's all these Torx that's holding the actual window on this regulator. So we're gonna have to loosen this to get the glass loosened. And yeah, I think it's a T25 too. Let me see. No, it's not. This one right here, this side, it's a T30. Be careful with that. It's gonna be loosening the glass, so be careful. Do not mess that up. Now, this one's right here. This one right here is loosening that one, so you could just put the glass up. I think it's a T30 too. Okay, since you can't fit no Torx in this tight spot, I'm gonna show you a trick I use. I have a little T30 like this. See that? Yeah, T30 and a 1/4 wrench. Okay, so you're gonna put this here in there with the this around. Let me show you. Okay, like so. You see that? Now you could turn it. See that? Now you could turn it. Okay, once you do that, the glass gonna be loose, and you could put the window up. Okay, so if you didn't know, I mean, I don't know either. So this bolt have to come all the way out so the window can go up. Okay, so this whole thing has to come out. Okay. As you see, it's not gonna go up. Okay. Now let's put the window up. So I just took the glass all the way out. I just put it inside because, like I said, it wouldn't fit. But anyways, you gotta get to these bolts. These are 13 mil bolts. Okay, and one right under there. But first, let's take this off. See, this is part of it. Like that. Squeeze through. That goes in there. Okay. Squeeze through in there. Now, this could go through too. Basically, you have to squeeze. You see these sides? You gotta squeeze both sides and push it through. Once we do that, then we're gonna loosen the 13s. Okay. So let's use a vise. Push this shit in there. Okay, now let's loosen these 13. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Okay, now this should be loose. See, it should be loose. I'm gonna wiggle this thing out of here. Okay, if you want to see inside there, this is how it looks inside. Okay. if you were curious. Okay, now we're gonna basically try to put this down and try to take it out this hole. Okay, both sides. There was your problem right here. That's why it was having problems going up. As you see? See that shit? That's the reason why you have to change this whole thing. Alright, now same way we took this out, now we have to put it back in with the new one. Okay, put the new one in. I didn't lock the bolts in yet because I was trying to, you know, put the wire in there. As you see, let me show you. Whoop. Everything is good in there. I didn't take out the zip tie because I'm not sure if I take this off, it's gonna spin or something. I don't know. I'm gonna wait till I put the motor in, then snap it off, then put it back on there. But first, let's put the window back. The glass, not the window. Yeah, same shit. So we put the glass back and see what's good. Make sure you take off this bolt. Okay, once you tighten both sides, Torx, let's tighten these up. Last one. Okay, that's good. Okay, I took off the zip tie and nothing happened, so I guess whatever. Just wanted to be safe. But anyways, put the motor back in there and put the bolts. Okay, now let's plug this in. Over here, like so. Now let's test if this thing works. It better work. Trying to do all this work. All right, let's put these together. Put the grommet back. Now we're gonna put this speaker after I test it. Okay, so to test it, you gotta put this plug back. That controls all the switches for the window. Just down. Don't put this crooked, man. You're not trying to bend anything in there. Put it in slight, and you have to use this to basically make it go in there. You see? Boom. Now let's test. Okay, let's turn the key on. Where's the key? Okay. Key on there. Now. Okay, it is up. All right, it works. Now we have to put everything back together. Same way we took it off, we have to put it back. All right, let's do the turn off first. Turn off the car. Take this off. Now I put the speaker on and everything else. Do not forget to put these back. Remember, there's one there and there's one down here. Okay, right down under the door. Remember those. Don't forget that. Once you do that, we're gonna put everything back together. Same way we took it out. Don't forget your Torx here, 2 Torx in here. There's one down there. And that's it. If I helped you out, you already know, give me a like and subscribe. Later.